This video quickly walks you through on how to add clock and timer in Google Slides. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. And here we are going to work with Google Chrome, okay? The next step is to visit slides.google.com and log in if you're not logging automatically, all right? You can see the web link here, slides.google.com. Once you find yourself on an interface that looks like this, the next step you need to take is to create your slides, okay, which you can call your presentation file. You can click on blank presentation and create it, or you can go with any of these templates. But in this case, I have a presentation I have created already, and we are going to work with that, and which is this. So I'll click on it for it to open. Here, my presentation file has opened. And before we make progress, we need to install a piece of software that will allow us to do this. Okay, and that is what is called Slides Timer. So open a new tab on your web browser. As a new tab is opened, we need to install an extension. So click on these three dots at the top right. Select extensions. Then select Visit Chrome Web Store. Once you are here, click inside this search area. Okay, the extension we need here is called Slides Timer. So type the name Slides Timer. So once you finish typing the name, it will pop up here. Click on it. On clicking on it, just allow it to finish loading. Alright, it has loaded. The next step is to click on Add to Chrome. Now it says it can read and change your data on docs.google.com. No problem, not only docs, but it extends to slides.google.com. Alright, this piece of information is now updated. Click on Add Extension. On clicking on Add Extension, just wait. You can see it has been added. Alright, so what we need to do now is to click on this icon here. It's extensions icon. On clicking on it, you see some extensions that are already installed on your browser. Now we want to pin this to the search bar area. So select the pin option. You can see it has appeared here. I'll click on this X. The reason we are doing this is so that it will be easy for us to access anytime we want to use it in Google Slides. Now let's get back to our slides. I'll click on this. Okay, once you are here, the next step you need to take is to refresh this page. What you are refreshing is that you're telling this page there is a new extension here that can help you do more. So I'll click on refresh. Then after you click on refresh, you can click on this because you have pinned it already to tell you what you need to do to insert timer and clocks here. For example, it says when you have something like this, you introduce these two signs, then plus column 00. Okay, what it means is that it will count down starting at 5 minutes. Okay, then this one, another example here, will count up starting at 2 minutes. That means it will start from 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is plus, this one is minus. What it means is that if I want it to count from 0 minutes, 0 seconds, I have to put 0 is a column 00 plus, which is what I want to do in this case. So there are a lot of samples telling you what you need to do. So here I want to know how long it will take me to do what? To present this particular slide. Or if you want to time yourself, maybe you want it to take just 2 minutes. Okay, you use the sample we have here. So but here I want to know how long it will take me to present what is on this particular slide in this presentation. So what I need to do is to click on insert because we need text box. Then I'll select text box. Then I'll select this text box. Take your cursor to the part of the slide, all right, where you want to have the time added. If it's here, you have to click on this slide first before you do these other things I did now, all right. So then take your cursor to the part of the slide, press and hold on the left button of your mouse, and then drag, okay, until you have a text box like this where you will have just text. Okay, So now let's introduce that sign. So you have to start using the keyboard keys right now. So I'll have this, then zero, column, okay, sorry, that's column, zero, zero. Then I will introduce the sign again, but I'll have plus before that. Okay, I'll add plus here. No, so just do it carefully. You can see what I'm telling this is, please start counting from 0 minutes, 0 seconds up. 0 seconds up, right? That's the correct term. So it's going to count from 0 seconds until I'm done with the presentation. And it's going to start that immediately you're on slideshow. So let's say I'm done with this. So I want to start the slideshow. I will click on slideshow. And look at it as I is counting. You can see it has now started counting from seconds. From seconds, it will enter minutes until I'm done with what I'm presenting. So it is that simple. So to exit this, press the escape key of your computer keyboard and it will show 0 here. But once you start presenting by clicking on slideshow, it will start count. Okay, so take a look at what you have here, all these samples, and experiment depending on your need. If this content helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Thank you and see you some other time.